My name is Ryan Vaughn. So I'm transgender, if you can't tell. I'm gay as sin. I'm really self-conscious about my appearance, like all the time. I can't look in the mirror without finding something I hate, and it's every day. So I just look for anything that can help me feel better about myself. Dr. Sharma gave me a little offer for a birthday gift, saying like, hey, you know, you've struggled with your appearance, so we thought we'd give you this gift, to give you cheek and lip fillers to help make your face look more feminine, to help you, you know, feel better about yourself. And I thought that was the sweetest thing ever. I don't know, I just need something to help me for a little bit, I suppose. I just hope it just, I don't know, just makes everything a little more feminine, not as flat as it usually is. Just to, you know, help me pass a little better and make me feel better about myself.
What do you think? It's very elegant, isn't it? Nice. No, not at all. It's a pleasure. I think it was really, really nice. It's you. It always was you. You're welcome.
Okay, so last week we did some cheek and lip filler. So today we decided to have some fun and bring you back in and do full glam and just have a fun little photo shoot.
They definitely brought my cheeks out, they brought my lips out, and I feel very confident. They just make me feel very good. Other than that, I would actually love a very nice photo shoot, just to give myself a little more confident. And Amber is amazing at it. Just look at her. She's always 100%.
So we just finished up our full glam look with Ryan. So we are going to hand over the mirror and see what Ryan thinks about the new look today.
I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. I want to see it, but I'm so nervous.
All right, I have the mirror. Here we go. Tell me what you think.
Is that really me? I look beautiful. It looks amazing. Oh my
The green really does suit you, for sure.
I honestly never thought I could look like this. Trying not to cry.
Don't cry if you don't want to.
I
No
know.
mascara marks.
I know. Oh, you. I came in originally to get some hair transplant done for my awful hairline, and I left and they offered me cheek and lip filler, and then they offered to do my full makeup and all the 9 yards because they're such beautiful people. I'm so appreciative that there are people like this who do this. I love it all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.